Okay, in this video we're checking out the new baby turtle from Caddx, and this is essentially the same as the Turtle V2, except now the sensor module here, where the lens and the sensor board is now a 14mm form factor instead of the 19mm micro size. So now we have a nano size here, and the cable that goes from the sensor module to the main board is a little bit shorter. So overall we're going to have a little bit less weight. Still have the microphone. The board here, the 20x20 board, is, as far as I can tell, looks the same as before. And I did ask Caddx if it was possible to just buy the nano-sized sensor module and cable and connect it to a V2 turtle board, and they did say that that was possible. I haven't tested that, but they said that you could do that if you wanted to go from the micro size to the nano-sized camera. So let's go ahead and show you the weight. There's not a whole lot that's different between the V2 micro size and the baby turtle nano size. Just you can get a little bit less weight. So we're coming in at 11.9 grams. You do get a little adapter case here to convert it from nano size to micro size to 19mm if you want to do that. And then you get the same stuff here. You get the little SD card protector to keep it from pinging out. You get your standard cable, and you get your joystick controller. Pretty much everything else is the same as before, so I'm not going to go through all of the various settings and everything. I'll just refer you to the old video of the Caddx Turtle V2. All the settings are the same. Obviously there's newer firmware out now. In fact, the firmware that's on here is dated July 25th, and I did ask them if that firmware could be worked or could be used on the Turtle V2, and they told me that that was not the case. So I thought that was a little strange, that the board seemed to be the same but the firmware wouldn't work on the old boards. But anyway, that's the way it is. I know that there's always questions about Turtle firmware out there, and it's kind of a mystery to me as well. I know there's various versions of firmware out there, but this is the latest version on here with the nano-sized camera. Obviously here I have an M8 lens, so the field of view is going to be a little bit different. So let me show you the field of view of the nano-sized baby turtle versus the micro-sized Turtle V2.